She disgusting. She'll be a fucking a rose.
That ain't gonna speak nice. Sorry.
Give me the rose.
Ah! Ow, my nail!
Yeah, ain't no nail. You want to be punching the rose? Bitch. Look what's in her coochie.
She said she came home from work.
Oh man, like just bypass that. She didn't come home from work.
Nasty. You a nasty white bitch.
That's because we was about to lay down in bed.
And you a jealous one.
That's embarrassing shit.
We're done.
So I rented me a charger. I'm riding low key so the crackers don't spot us or stop us. And we sliding on these bitch niggas. The word out, chopper in the trunk, go get them. Underworld of code C-O-D. I put the headers on my SRT. Stash spots, hold a quarter top key. And a little bit of weed, I'm sliding on a bad bitch. Low key, nothing extravagant. Maybe a little average. Just in case I got